What is difference between invention and discovery? These are synonyms to each other, but there is slight difference between them. Invention means to make a new thing such as pen, mobile, etc. While discovery means to find a thing that is existing but hidden from human eye, such as gold, oil, etc. Is math invented or discovered? There has been great debate among scientists for that topic. Math is both discovered and invented. Consider number system. There was nothing in start. Mathematicians invented numbers to meet their needs. Numbers were invented to count things such as ship, sheep, wood, hammer, etc. Mathematics is an intricate fusion of inventions and discoveries. Concepts are generally invented, and even though all the correct relations among them existed before their discovery. The triangle was discovered centuries earlier in India and China. Can you find more examples in that regard and mention that it is invention or discovery?